In case you don't know this, I have 3 very floofy dogs, which means dog hair everywhere. And today I have a solution for this. Check this out. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this dog hair removal mitt. Can I removal it right from the source? We will also find out if I can do that as well. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So I have tiny hands, if you can't tell. The nice thing about this is you just slide your hand in here. Now it's in. And even though I have small hands, my hand fits in this just fine. We're going to, okay, see the hair? See how there's less hair there? Let's do that again. See the hair? See how there's less hair? Oh my god, this is that's crazy. Look at it. Look at all that hair that it pulled out. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be cool. Okay, so I figured out it seems to work best if you only do it in one direction. You can see where I just got all this hair off compared to this side here, which is still full of hair. Holy cow. And you can see it on here. Like, you can clearly see how much hair this thing got off. Let's use it on the dog bed that's always full of hair. Look at it. Look at all this hair. Look at it. Look at it all. Somebody's shedding. Let me test this out. All right, let's tackle this. So oh my goodness. Ready? See the hair? That is great. That's so crazy. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. This is so cool. That works so much better than the vacuum cleaner. Dog hair tends to look at that. Dog hair tends to get stuck inside of, and I can go back the other way with this. Dog hair tends to get stuck inside fabrics, so sometimes it gets trapped, and that makes it harder for your vacuum cleaner to actually get it out. So sometimes you need things like this to get more hair off of fabrics. Look at the difference between that and this. And that was just with that little bitty tiny effort that you guys saw me do. I could do this better, but this was just a quick wipe, and that was it. And it got so, look at all this fur. This is also really easy to clean out. I just wiped it and got that big ball of fur out of it. That's crazy! And no, this is not a brush for your dogs, but just for fun. Let's see how much we can get from the source. Oh yeah, there's definitely some dog hair on there. Can I just use this on, does that feel amazing? She's like, whoa, Mom, that's great. Look at all that. Yeah, it's not really a dog brush. If you guys are looking for an easy way to get more fur off of your furniture, out of your car, anywhere really, this is nice. I like that it's flat, easy to store. It's got that little thing on it so you can hang it up wherever you need it or keep it in your car. This is great. This is awesome. I didn't think it was going to work as good as this. Look at all that hair. Definitely recommend this. If you have dogs, cats, pets in your house, and you have hair everywhere, this is pretty cool. I like this. We recommend this.